Hey everyone, today I'm diving into the buzzing world of TikTok and how you can start making money from your videos. Curious? Let's get straight to it. First things first, you've got to build a solid presence. It's all about your followers and engagement rates. Start by choosing a niche that you're passionate about. Whether it's fitness, cooking, fashion or comedy, it doesn't matter, as long as you love it and it resonates with others. Consistency is key here. Post regularly and keep your content fresh and exciting. Now once you've got some traction, it's time to leverage TikTok's creator fund. Yes, TikTok actually pays you for great content. To qualify, you need at least 10,000 followers and over 100,000 video views in the last 30 days. Keep those numbers climbing and this could be a steady income stream. Another fantastic way to earn is through sponsored posts. Brands are always looking to partner with TikTok creators to reach their audiences. If you have a decent following, brands will pay you to promote their products in your videos. Remember, authenticity wins here. Promote products that you genuinely like and fit your style. Next up, let's talk about merchandise. If your followers are loving what you do, why not sell your brand? Create your own line of products, be it t-shirts, caps, or whatever fits your brand. TikTok is a great platform to showcase and promote your merchandise directly to your audience. Lastly, don't forget about live gifts. When you go live on TikTok, viewers can send you virtual gifts that can be converted into real money. It's not only a great way to interact with your audience, but also a chance to earn while having fun and engaging with your followers. Alright, that's a wrap for today's guide on making money on TikTok. Get out there, create, engage, and start earning. Don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed this video and subscribe for more awesome content. Catch you in the next one.